Hey resellers, I still get a lot of questions about the waterfall method for sending offer to likers. I don't actually know who created this method, and I don't even remember where I found out about it. I have been reselling for almost 10 years, and I am in perimenopause and basically brain dead all of the time, and so I have no idea who taught me this. But I can tell you that I love the waterfall method. I have shared several videos on my channel now explaining different parts of how I send out my offer to likers, and the waterfall method is really the way that I do it. I do have a separate video about it if you want to know more backstory, but I have gotten questions about exactly how does it work. People have gotten very confused by it, and so today is going to be one of those videos which really kind of like over explains things. And so if you don't need an explanation about the waterfall method, you may want to watch one of my other videos because this is going to be like, the idiot's guide to waterfall method, and I'm not calling anyone an idiot. It is confusing, and like I said, I probably didn't get it at first, and then over time I did. So I'm happy to explain it, but it is a little nitty-gritty. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. So I did recently a video that was going over the difference between automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, which is where the waterfall method comes in, and then price updating or price dropping in Poshmark VA. So if you have a question about which is which, that video is available. I don't know actually which one's going to come first, this one or that one. I don't know. But that video is available for you if you have that kind of question. Today's video is specifically going to go over when you're sending out bulk offers. So this is not your automatic offer to liker. This is not price dropping. This is bulk offers going out to your whole closet using Poshmark VA and the method of that, which is called the waterfall method. And I will give you my exact days of the week, exact times of the day, exact what percentages I'm sending. So I will share with you all of it. But I'm gonna first go into my screen share and show you what it looks like in Poshmark VA, and then I will share with you the schedule. Okay, so here we are in my Poshmark closet, and you go up to your Google Chrome extension, find your Poshmark VA, and you're gonna go to actions up at the top. So the area that we're talking about today is this one, send bulk offers. If you click on this, this is exactly what I'm talking about. I will share with you the exact schedule, but this is what I use. I change it to my offers. So I send out 30% with $5.95 on all items. I'm not going to send it now. I don't have any exclusions or anything because all of my items kind of fit into a good pricing model. I've set it up that way on purpose, so I don't need to fadoodle with exclusions. If you have all kinds of items in your closet that are different and you can't send a 30% offer or 50% offer or whatever to all of your items, then you will want to utilize these tools here. A minimum earnings, or don't send it out on items listed yesterday, or not sending it on boutique items or new tag items, or excluding certain items. Like let's say you have a fur coat and you don't want to send any offers on that fur coat. You will take that URL and you will put it in the exclusions list, and then it won't go out. So this is what we're talking about. Now, let me show you my schedule. And remember, these are offers. So it's going to get sent out, and then 24 hours later, it's going to expire. It's not changing the price at all. And it is going to go out to someone who hasn't gotten an offer from you, or if the offer is 10% higher than the last offer they got and the offer expired. So I'll explain it a little bit more in practice. So on Monday, I send out at 4 p.m. Eastern. I use the bulk offer feature that I just showed you. I send out 30% offers on everything. As soon as that's done, usually at about 5:30 Eastern time, I do the same exact thing, except I'm sending out 40% offers. Then when that's done, because it takes time for it to run through your whole closet and send those offers for you, you don't have to babysit it. You can go make dinner, you can go do whatever. At 7 p.m. Eastern, I send out the 50% offers. So a lot of times the question I get is, won't someone that got the 30% get the 50%? No, because if Sally likes your item on Sunday, she'll get the automatic offer to like her that goes out when she likes the item of 20%. That offer is going to expire, and then she'll be eligible to get another offer from you. She can't get 20% again. It has to be 10% higher. So she can get 30%. When she gets that 30% offer today at 4 p.m., that's going to be an open active offer. It won't expire for 24 hours. So when you send out 40%, she won't get it because she already has 30% open and active. Now, let's say she does not buy that item on Monday and the 30% offer expires on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, you're going to do the same thing. Again, this is my example. You can change your schedule, but this is just exactly what I do. So on Wednesday, I'm going to do the same exact thing. 4 p.m., I send out 30%. 5:30, I send out 40%. 7 p.m., I send out 50%. Sally, or whoever I said, she got the 30% on Monday. It expired on Tuesday. So she's eligible to get a new offer. When I send out 30%, she won't get it because she already got 30% on Monday. So that will not go to her. But when I send out 40%, that will go to her because it's higher than the last one and she's open from offers because there's nothing open right now. So she'll get 40%. Now on Friday, I do it during the day. And so on Friday at 10 a.m., I send out 30%. At 11:30, I send out 40%. At 1 p.m., I send out 50%. And most of the time on Friday, maybe not every Friday, but many Fridays, I get feisty and I send out a 60%. And so on Wednesday, Sally got 40%. And so it's going to expire on Thursday. She still didn't buy yet, and no one else bought it, of course. Then on Friday, when I send out 50%, she'll get it. She won't get 30, she won't get 40 because she already got those. So, and she's open because the offer expired on Thursday, so she'll get 50. She won't get 60 because 50 is open for her, and then nothing's going to happen. Now, next week, she won't get anything on Monday, she won't get anything on Wednesday, but on Friday, when I send out 60%, she would get the 60%. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses for just $20. The best part is if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs. Everything that I have created and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally $20. And so I find that over the course of a week to 2 weeks, either they're gonna buy it or they're never gonna buy it. And so we've given them now the 20% chance to buy the item when they liked it, the 30% chance to buy the item, the 40% chance to buy the item, the 50% chance to buy the item, and then within 2 weeks, they get the 60% chance to buy the item. So that's a lot of chances. I have given this Sally many chances, many discounts to buy this item. And so if she doesn't want to buy it, I am okay with at whatever point that item gets relisted and her like goes away. And I did a video, or the video's coming out. Again, I never know what order they're going to be in. I'm doing a video about relisting mistakes, and this plays into that. So if you are a relister, definitely watch that video about relisting mistakes, because you will see how this exactly plays out. So I hope that by going step by step, that makes sense. Now, again, how you actually do it is by going here. Now that you've seen the schedule, on Monday, I'm going to go to send bulk offers. I'm going to change this to 30%. I'm not going to send it now because it's not Monday at 4, but 30%, $5.95, all items. I don't have any exclusions. And then I would click start. When I click start, this button is going to go green and say running. So I know when it's done and I know when it's not done. So right now it's idle, which means it's not sending any offers at all. But when it is sending offers, it'll be green. If you want to see what's going on, you can go down to the activity log. So this is bulk price. I don't know this. So I don't usually use this computer. I use my backup computer. So this says I haven't done anything on here since November 3rd, which isn't true. It's my computer over there that I use. But so you would see on here, so last thing I did on this one was price dropping. But you can see, it will tell you like item 272 out of 320. So it will tell you how many more, and then it will tell you when it's done, finished. This one finished November 3rd at 6:18. So that was, whatever I did that day. So then once the 30% offers are done going through, which on my closet, based on the number of items I have and the number of items that have likes in it that get the offers, it takes about an hour and a half. Your closet might only take a half an hour to do, because you might have less items than I do, and therefore less items that have likes than I do. And so it will take Posher VA less time to go through everything. So your schedule could be a little bit different because of the difference in items. But as soon as this is done, then I go back and I change this to 40, and then I run it again. And then when that's done, I run it to 50 and I run it again. And the great thing about the waterfall method is that the person will only get the next best offer. They won't skip to a higher offer. If you don't do this and you send out 30% on Monday, 40% on Wednesday, and 50% on Friday without the waterfall of all three tiers, then if somebody likes your item on Tuesday, they're going to skip all the way to 40%. They will have never gotten 30%. They might have bought at 30%. So you basically lost 10% worth of profit because you gave it away. So this is basically ensuring that each person that likes your item gets 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, and 60% in that order without skipping ahead, so that you make the most amount of money possible. That you don't sell that item at 60% unless you've given all the other offers a chance to work. And so likelihood is, not for every item, of course, it doesn't work on every item, but many items will sell by the time you get to 50% and 60%. Not every item, many items. And so this works. When you first start doing it, it works the most. When you start doing it regularly over time, it works less and less and less, because you've gotten the big bang for your buck up front, and then you just get the trickle-ins. So, only so many people are going to like your items between Monday and Wednesday. And so you're not going to sell $2,000 worth of stuff. I mean, maybe you will. I hope you do. But I don't sell $2,000 worth of stuff between Monday and Wednesday. I might sell a couple of hundred. And that's fine for me, because I sell a couple hundred on Monday, and then a couple hundred on Wednesday, and a couple hundred on Friday. And before you know, at the end of the week, I've done a couple $1,000s in sales just from offers, let alone Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, other things are happening. Automatic offers are going out, all that different stuff. So yes, I feel like I have said everything I can possibly say that I think would help explain this. So if you have further questions on it, you can leave them down below, but I don't know any other way to explain it. But I do hope that this helps. And if you do have other questions, let me know. And I appreciate you watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye. Poshmark VA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add Poshmark VA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.